and speak a charm. Take the weather from your heart and the weight from on your toes. And there's nothing to your side for you to recognize. It's honest long ago. The lake will overflow, flood all I've ever known, break walls and sever bone. Now I hold it in my heart, just for you to fall apart. Stood tall, we'd ever grown. Burn the bed and the dreams I've never met. Those wishes were never forgotten. So burn the bed, I'll face the wind in from my head. Those wishes were never forgotten. You'll drop for a new charm, put the thunder in my arms, hope for them to close. Leave nothing to my side, take all I recognize, and varnish your own blood. Burn the bed and the dreams I never met. Those wishes were never forgotten. So burn the bed, I'll face the wind in from my head. Those wishes were never forgotten. Oh, those wishes were never forgotten.